Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to navigate Bumble's interface. Navigating Bumble's interface is user-friendly and straightforward. Here is a guide to help you get familiar with the application layout and features. First of all, open the application. This is the home screen. Swipe right to like someone and left to pass on profile. Tap the star icon which is at the bottom right corner of the screen to show extra interest in someone. The profile icon which is located in the bottom left corner. Tapping this icon takes you to your profile where you can edit your details, photos and preferences. Another is chat screen. Click on the chat bubble at the bottom right corner of your screen. Accessed by tapping the chat bubble icon. Here you can see your messages and start conversation. You can send text messages, photos and even use voice messages. On the people section, which is accessible via the icon that looks like compass or similar. This area allows you to explore other users outside your immediate messages. Another is Bumble BFF and Bumble Base. Here, you can make friends and find community and also move to find that spark, which means that you can also find a date from here. Another is settings. Access through the gear icon. Click on the profile and you can see a gear icon there. Here you can manage your account settings, preferences, notifications and subscription options. You can also see filter and preferences. Go to the home page and at the top right corner you'll see a button. Click on it, which is Filter and Preferences tab. Here you can set preferences for age, distance and gender for potential matches. Adjust these settings to refine your search. Another is Help and Support, which is found in Settings menu at the bottom of this screen. Click on Contact and FAQ. Here, this section provides answers to common questions and allows you to contact customer support if needed. Take some time to explore each section of the application to become familiar with all its features. You can also use prompts. Engage with prompts and questions to enhance your profile and spark conversation with matches. Also stay active. Regularly check the application for new matches and messages to keep the momentum going. By understanding these elements, you can easily navigate Bumble's interface and make the most of your experience. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.